Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today with the problem for stream error for is content file is locked. Okay, this is the not updating the game file. Then is the content is locked with this file. Okay, then step by step follow it to solve this problem. Okay, then go to the first step for run a admin the Steam. You will start the Steam launcher. Then right click to properties. Click to the compatibility. Then you will enable for an program as an administrator. Click to apply, click to OK. Then go to the second step for clear the download cache. Okay, you will get open the Steam. You will select the Steam icon. Then you will set it to click to the settings. Click to the downloads and scroll down to see the clear download cache. You will click to set it to get all apps get deleted the clear cache. Okay, the step is finished. So go to the next step for verify the game file. This is the NA. This is the NA. This is for issues for the game only. So you will verify files to always file is always for problem solved. After get fix this here for fix it to get enjoy the game or not fix it to you will reinstall the Steam. Okay. Then this four step is mentioned you will click to the Windows second get restart your PC or laptop with this problem is for solved. Then anyone doubt to put in the comment. And thank you for watching.